Assalamu alaikum dear students. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yesterday we had talked about the paper 1, the pattern and the syllabus and the details. Today inshallah we will be talking about paper 2. Paper 2 is basically based on hadith, and in the same way paper 2 is of also 50 marks and 1 hour 30 minutes time. 1 hour 30 minutes means 90 minutes altogether. So inshallah we will be distributing the time also, that how you should distribute your time wisely. So in paper 2, question number 1 is based on hadith. You are having 20 hadith in your syllabus, and in those 20 hadith you will be given 4 hadith in the paper, and you will be choosing 2 of them, right? For each hadith you will be writing the teachings and the practice of the particular hadith in your daily life. Means you would have to connect it with the contemporary world. So each part, A part will be of 2 marks and the B part will be of 2 marks. So altogether this question will also be of 8 marks, and this is also the compulsory question. Means you would not be having any option to leave or to skip this question. However, you would have the option of choosing 2 ahadith amongst 4, right? So for this question you would have 12 marks, same as the question number 1 of paper 1. So in paper 2, question number 1, you would have 12 minutes for this answer, and you cannot consume more than that because you will be running out of the time for other questions. Then comes for question number 2. Question number 2 will be based on hadith, chapter hadith, and in question number 2, the hadith chapter, like history and the importance of hadith, this is chapter number 5, and in this question, in this particular pattern, you would be having the variants of the questions also. For example, which possible questions can come in this question? In this particular question number 2, you can have the compilation of hadith. There are 3 stages of the compilation of hadith. One, in the time of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the companions. Second stage is companions and the tabain, and the third stage is tabain and taba tabain. So after third stage, all of these stages, compilation of Quran completes, and another question which can come in this category, it is about the same as Sharia law, which is the part of the question number 2, paper 1 also. Means Quran, Hadith, Ijma and Qiyas. But now this is depended upon the wisdom of the students, that how they are molding the answer as per the question. If it is coming in question number 2, how they need to twist the answer, and in paper 2, question number 2, how students are going to twist the answer. This is dependent upon their own understanding, right? And another question which can come in this category is the communal and the individual life of the Muslim by the help of the set ahadith in the syllabus. Means from those 20 ahadith which are already exist in the syllabus, one question can be formulated on the life of the individual and on the life of the Muslim in the community. So these sort of question can also come under the category of hadith, and how Quran and hadith work together. This sort of question can also come. Sometimes even in the syllabus it is written that the 6 Sunni collection and 4 Shia Muslim collection can also be the part of the paper 2, but it had not been come before in any of the paper in the marking scheme from since 2009 till now. If you will check, you will not be finding any question on the basis of the Shia Muslim collection. However, there is one question about the Sunni Muslim collection, means Sahih Sitta, and one more thing that we have to learn Sahih Sitta because we have to integrate it in the third stage of the compilation of hadith, in which Taba Tabain had done some work, Muhaddiseen, the way how Muhaddiseen gathered the hadith and how they did they check the authenticity of the hadith. But we need to, it is even in the syllabus it is written identify, so you need to know only the names of the Shia Muslim books, but you don't need to go in the depth of that, right? And now if we will talk about question number 3, 4 and 5. So question number 3, 4 and 5 can be from the chapter number 7, rightly guided caliph, or the chapter 8, articles of faith and pillars of Islam. So these questions can be any of the about any of the rightly guided caliph, means their services as being after becoming caliph. For example, Hazrat Abu Bakr, Hazrat Umar, Hazrat Usman, and Hazrat Ali. I will teach these topics in detail, inshallah. So you would come to know that which sort of questions can come from the rightly guided caliphs. And then jihad. Jihad can also be the part of question number 2. Paper number 2, paper 2, and question number 3, 4, 5. And same as the 6 articles of faith, and same as the 5 pillars of Islam. So we will discuss all of them, inshallah, in detail. I hope the pattern is clear now. Once again, for question number 2, you have, for 14 marks answer, you would have 22 minutes. For question number 3 and 4 or 5, you would have 14 minutes. So altogether they are 78 minutes. And after these 78 minutes, you would be left with 12 minutes, which you can wisely use to review the paper or to think about anything which if you are forgetting something. So these 12 minutes should be productive for your answer. So I hope, inshallah, this description will be helpful for you to understand the content of paper 1 and paper 2 in detail. Inshallah, we will be unfolding each and every question in detail. This is considered as the full-fledged workshop for your CIE exam.